In this video, I will demonstrate the use of the COUNTIF function, as well as discuss the reason why we need to fix cell reference when copying functions down a column. We have 20 companies listed, and we want to count the frequency. So if you write or type out the name of each company in the next column, we can count the frequencies using the COUNTIF function. So you put equal COUNTIF, open parentheses, you will copy or highlight the range of data values, and at this point I'm not going to put the dollar signs and fix the cell reference to make a point of why this is the wrong way of doing it. The criteria that we want to count is for this cell is sprint, and if I hit enter, I get 7, which is the 7 sprint names that are in this column. But now I don't want to type this function over and over again, so if I copy it down, I should get 7 in all of those cells because I'm counting sprint over and over again, and it should be 7. But notice that in the first cell the counts were done of cells A2 to A21. However, in the next one, you see that the range has changed now to one below, which is A3 to A22. Then for the next one, it goes from A4 to A23. And for the next one, it moves down one. So essentially, as I'm making the copying from this cell down to the next, to the next, and to the next, it's also shifting the reference to the cells that are being counted. So essentially we end up counting some of these empty cells down here and not enough of these cells up here. In order to fix that, what we must do is fix the cell reference for the range that we want to be counted. And if I click the mouse on the formula cell and click key F4 and do the same thing here for A21 and fix the reference to cell A21. Now I can come back and copy that cell down, and you can see that everything is now 7 because it keeps counting only cells A2 to A21, and it's counting all the sprints. Of course, I don't want to do that for this cell. Here I want to count the AT&Ts. So I'm going to change that to AT&T. For the next one, I'm going to change it to T-Mobile. And for the next one, I will change it to Verizon. And now I have the correct count for all of these, and if I sum it up, I get the 20 that are in my array. Just one more thing here. When you come here and you click on that point, and if you click F4 one more time, you will get the cell reference, the reference only to be fixed for the row. If you click F4 again, it will change it so that the reference is fixed only for the column. If you click F4 one more time, it removes the cell reference, and if you click it again, it puts it back in there. So it's iteratively, every time that you click F4, it puts the dollar sign somewhere else, and you can do that until you get to the place where you want it to be. Okay, I hope that was helpful.